Hi, I'm beauty and lifestyle expert Molly Noverbaker with some great tips to transition you from fall to winter. My first must-have is actually something we should really have with us all year long. It's the Cold-EEZE lozenge. This is a product that has been clinically proven to drastically reduce the length of your cold by 42%. That is significant. It's been studied at the Cleveland Clinic as well as Dartmouth. So what you want to do is as soon as you start feeling those symptoms, cough, sore throat, congestion, you want to start taking the Cold-EEZE immediately, and then you want to keep taking it as directed. Pharmacists trust this product. In fact, it's the #1 recommended pharmacist brand according to Pharmacy Times. A lot of different formulations to choose from. The lozenges come in different flavors as well as quick melts. You could also try the Cold-EEZE Plus Defense. Fantastic product that contains zinc, which is going to shorten the length of your cold, but also immunity boosting ingredients like echinacea, vitamin C from rosehip, and sambuca from elderberry, all of which strengthens our body's immune system and gets us feeling better faster. You can log on to Cold-EEZE.com or find this at mass retailers. The other thing that we tend to encounter this time of year is unfortunately dry winter skin. So for that, I love the iconic brand of Jergens. Their Shea Butter Wet Skin Moisturizer is a complete game changer. You apply it in the shower onto wet skin. The water is what activates the lotion, so it's going to sink in, absorb quickly, no sticky residue, no drying time, and that beautiful shea butter oil is going to go to work to give your skin radiance, make it smooth, and make it soft for 4 times the normal amount of time. The other great thing about Jergens is that for every ounce of shea butter used, it's helping the women in West Africa. Jergens is helping these women and families through the Shea Alliance, which is helping to empower 16 million women. These are actually the women that gather the shea nuts and make the shea butter. So really great things they're doing on the local community level, and you can find the product at mass retailers for $8.99. Now it's also the season when we tend to run ourselves a little bit ragged, so you can't forget about taking good care of yourself. Eating healthy with healthy snacks like dried fruit and nuts, drinking lots of water to keep yourself hydrated. All of this is going to help you get through this winter season and stay the healthiest you can be.